Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to observe the refraction of light, that is the bending effect of light using a laser light. Let's start. Here is the setup. I have taken a laser light and I have placed a sheet of glass upon some black paper, and here you can see some barbecue stick at the both side of this glass sheet. You assume this barbecue stick as a normal. So what we are going to observe is we are going to send the laser beam through this end. This end will be the incident ray. Mostly these experiments will be done using ray box. For our easy visibility, I have taken a laser light. So please remember that refraction of light means bending effect of light. When the light enters from one medium to another medium, it bends. Let's observe the bending effect in the glass. When light enters from one medium to another medium, it bends. Here I have taken laser light to see clearly even with other lights. So inside the glass, the laser beam is bending. This end is incident ray. You can observe when the light enters from less dense to high dense, it bends towards normal, and when it enters from high dense to less dense, it bends away from normal. Here the light is passing from high dense to less dense, that is from glass to air. You can see the refracted ray is away from the normal. Here air to glass means it bends towards normal. Some lights are reflecting, ignore this reflected light. Let's have a look at some theory part about refraction of light. Here is a glass block and here is air. So here are the two medium, one is air and another one is glass. So let's draw a normal which is perpendicular to this glass block, and here you can see a ray which is incident. So this is the incident ray, and angle of incidence is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. You are familiar about this angle of incidence, right? What happens when light enters from one medium to another medium means it bends because it slows down, so it bends. Here the concept is when light enters from air to glass, as you all know, it bends, and this R is known as angle of refraction, that is the angle between the refracted ray and the normal. So R is the angle of refraction. So the concept is when light enters from less dense medium to high dense medium, it bends towards normal. In this diagram you can see angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence because the light, when it passes through high dense medium, it slows down and it refracts, right? When we look at this side, again we draw a normal, and this is known as angle of incidence. Here also when a light enters from glass to air means it bends away from normal. So here is the angle of refraction. In this case angle of refraction will be more than angle of incidence. So when light enters from high dense to less dense means it bends away from normal. When light enters from less dense medium to high dense medium means it bends towards normal. These two are the important concept about the refraction of light. So the same thing you have observed through our simple experiment. Let me share that image with you. Here is the image. You can ignore this ray because it is reflected. So you can ignore this one. So this is the incident ray, refracted ray, and again for this one it acts as a incident ray, and here is the refracted ray. Here when light enters from air to the glass means it bends towards the normal. You can see this angle is more and this angle is less. Again when we come to this point, this ray acts as an incident ray. So from glass to air means you can see it bends away from normal. So our theory part and this practical part are same. Let's try few questions from refraction of light. Try this first question. Which diagram shows how a ray of light could pass through a glass block in air? Your time starts now. The correct answer is A according to our ray diagram. Try this second question. A ray of green light from a laser passes into a semicircular glass block. What is shown at M? Option A dispersion, option B rarefaction, option C reflection, and option D refraction. Your time starts now. The correct answer is D, that is refraction. I hope you got some idea about refraction of light. Thank you.